How to change language on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no way for you to change the language of the Pinterest app within the app itself. Let me show you. If we open up the app and then went to the settings, as you can see, language right here, it says you will be able to change the language of the content that you will see. It will not change the app language. And if we went to country/region, at the top you will see that it tells you for your language they will use what's in your phone settings, meaning that in order for you to change the Pinterest app language, you need to change the entire language of your phone, which you simply can do by opening up your settings and then you go to managements and stuff, then changing your language with any language that you want. And unfortunately, this is the only way that you can do this right now. There's no way for you to change the Pinterest app language just like any other app. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Pinterest app language. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.